Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a little parcel that's come today and it's a Happy Mail parcel, and I know that because it says Happy Mail on it. Yay! It's come from the lovely Sandra. I know Sandra's been a subscriber to the channel for a long time, so thank you, Sandra. Even before I get into it, I do remember you. She did send me an email and say that she, well, basically wasn't a stalker or an axe murderer, so I was quite safe to let her have my address. Which is much appreciated. Okay, let me get this open and then we'll have a look what we've got. I love the way that you've repurposed the Amazon box as well and made it into a box rather than like one of the flat packet things. I think that's brilliant. So well done you. I've never thought about doing that before, squashing it out so that it's got corners. So yay. Oh, look, it's wrapped up as well. Yay. Oh, I do like this. Okay, Millie, you can have the box. I'm still being harassed by the little wolf down here. Oh, what we got? Oh, we've got some bits. Okay, right, let me have a quick read of the card first. Oh, right, so this is a brick separator for Lego. Oh, to save the fingernails. Oh, right. You'll also find the red bricks which took off while you were making your Christmas ornament set, if you haven't found them both by the time you receive this. No, I haven't. So thank you. So she's given me a hint as to what she's sent me. So thank you ever so much, Sandra. Oh, this is going to be fun. So I've got a brick separator. Does that mean I'm a proper Lego maker now? Or a Lego builder, sorry. I'm getting all the equipment to go with it. That's super. Look at that little card. Oh, look at that. That's a very happy snowman. I think they're maybe building him a friend. That's maybe why he's looking quite so happy. And that dog, well, that dog's huge, actually. Those children must be either really small or that dog is enormous. And this dog next to me is just playing up. So I'm going to have to get this up. It's because I'm opening parcels and she can't see what I'm doing. And every box that comes into the house has to pass the Scotty test. So that's the piece I was missing, look, from the Lego. So I can complete it now. Thank you so much. Oh, the two pieces, look. That's what flew off and disappeared. Oh, a Lego separator. Oh, I say. Oh, this is posh. Oh, and it's even got Lego on it as well. Wow. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you. Right, let's see what we've got then. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at this paper. It's gorgeous. I do like nice wrapping paper. Oh. My first Christmas present that I've opened. Oh, wow, look at these. Oh, aren't they fantastic? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Wow. Oh, it says 9+, so yeah, Sandra mentions that in her letter, so yeah, I'm safe with this. But look at them, the little plant pots with Lego plants in them. Oh, look at the little happy faces. I like everything with a smile, and even the box has got a smile on it, look, as well. Oh, wow, so this is part of the botanicals. And they've got a sunflowers picture, a Van Gogh sunflowers picture, and I think they've also got Starry Night as well. I may have dreamt that, I'm not sure, but they are over £100, and I did think, ooh, maybe after Christmas. But oh, this is fabulous. Thank you so much. So we'll definitely be building these on camera. That's something to do between Christmas and the New Year, isn't it? Yay. Happy plants. Oh, excellent. Let's just open the box. I am going to open the box because I want to have a sneak in and see what we've got. And I do like these Lego things. I'm watching quite a few Lego channels now. I've been watching a really old documentary on the TV, and it's about, well, it must be quite a long time ago, because it's when they opened the Lego store in London, the brand new Lego store in the centre of London, and it's all about the opening and all the different things that they had to build, and how panicky they were to get it open and whether it would be a success, because obviously in London, you know, you've really got to make a lot of money because the rents on the shops are so expensive. Wow, look at this, look at all these little bits. This is what fascinates me, look, all the bits. Number 4, number 3. I think Millie needs oiling. Number 1 must be the yellow pot, look, because it's all the yellows. Wow. I love the fact that it's got little arms as well. Oh, this is fabulous. Oh, look, and the leaves. Aren't they clever now? I know when I used to go across to my friend's house to play with their Lego, you know, they were just building blocks and the figures had more or less started coming in, but we didn't really have any figures. We used to build houses for like our little tiny dolls. I used to have, oh, was it a Pippa doll? I think it was a Pippa doll. And it was just slightly too big, but we used to use sort of that size, or we used to get little figures that we'd got from, I don't know, all sorts of things. And play people mainly, and little people. And we used to, was it Playmobil and Play People that were very similar? And we used to put those in them. But yeah, oh look, we've got a separate book for each one. Oh wow, oh that's wonderful. Oh, I'm going to so look forward to doing these. Yeah, this is a definite cheer yourself up between Christmas and New Year project. So watch this space. This one will be coming. Yay! Oh, thank you. That is absolutely super. And that's the first Christmas present I've received as well. So thank you. And I've opened it early. I should really have put it underneath my tree, shouldn't I? Oh, look, I've got a little smiley face smiling at me out the bag. Oh, rescue me, you're saying. But no, I'm sorry, little smiley face. We're going to have to put you away until later, and then we'll get you built. And these will go lovely on my little desk as well. Oh, fantastic. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. It's so kind of you to think of me. And I really, really do appreciate it. I'm going to keep that on my little whatnot tray that I've got next to me, along with this piece of Lego, so that I don't lose it, because I just know what I'm like. If you want to send me any photographs, Sandra, of your Lego collections, or anybody else, or your diamond paintings, I can put them into one of the videos, or I can put them on the Facebook group, easy for me to say. If you want to show everybody else as well, I'm quite happy to do that. Okay, well, I'm going to go now and see what this dog is up to, because she's still harassing me. I keep getting my leg nudged. Come here, Mum. I want you. I want you. Oh, that's brilliant as well. Thank you. Okay, well, as I say, I just can't say thank you enough to Sandra. So if you've enjoyed looking at this with me, just a quick peek at a Christmas present that really I shouldn't have opened till Christmas, but I've opened it now. If you have, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.